Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create an account in the SmartTales application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and click on the balance button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the account button. You have to verify that you are the parent, and as you can see, you can get a parents area where you can monitor your kids' progress, you can manage profiles, and you can share your subscription with several devices. So you can create this with an email address, you can continue it with your Apple account, or you can connect it with your Facebook account. So choose whichever you prefer and create your account. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.